I just want to do a short video on how to plug a tire. This is kind of a video of opportunity, as my wife's Jeep managed to pick up a screw and get a flat tire. So just wanted to show you how to plug a tire in case you've never had to do it before. First thing you want to do is obviously take the tire off, and you do want to inflate the tire before you start plugging it. I just filled this up to about 30 psi. I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a screw right there. The tools you need are your standard plug kit, which comes with a reamer and a plug inserter, your plugs, and something to rip the screw out with. I'm going to zoom this in a bit and see if I can get this to focus a bit better. And there is our screw in question. And I do apologize, I'm taking this video in my bathroom because that's where my compressor lives and it's raining outside. So first step, get that screw out. Well, second step. First step, inflate your tire. Make sure you inflate it before you start this process. Alright, good, that is visible. Try a little pickle fork here. That seems to be getting underneath it. There we go. Yeah, that's out enough that I can probably get it with the pliers now. Now, as soon as this screw comes out, you're going to want to stab that reaming tool in there. Where the hell did this thing come from? Alright, once you get the plug out, you don't want to cram this guy back in there, keep the air in. This one appears to have gone in at an angle. That is what I just pulled out. That is much bigger than what I was expecting in there. Now how the hell that thing got caught in there? Yeah. I'm going to get the reamer in there, keep the air in, and to clean up the hole a bit. This one went in sideways. Being a bit more of a pain than your typical up and down one. And basically what we're doing is making a clean channel for that plug to go into. And you can hear the threads tearing in there. Okay, I think we got it. Alright. So now we're going to set our plug up. Now here. These are nice little gummy rubber plugs. You put it inside the middle of your plug tool. Basically you will get it in there about centered. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then you will remove your reaming tool, plug into the same hole with good force downward, and you want to leave about ½ inch or so on either side sticking out the hole. Whew. Does require a bit of effort. Yeah, I got a bit of a do-over here. The first plug I put in, or tried to put in, was a extra thick plug. Don't even know where I got those from. Let me pull this out, put the reamer back in to hold the air. That is your standard width plug. That is an extra fat plug. I was wondering why I was having trouble getting it in my plugging tool, and also wondering why I couldn't get it to go in the damn hole. So don't get the extra fat plugs. You don't need them. A regular plug will work just fine. And now we're going to do this again. Good, that's going. Make sure you can see that. I apologize for the view of my crotch here. But typically you want to get it in about that far, so it's sticking out about 1/2, 3/4 of an inch on either side. And then you just pull your plug back out, your plugger back out. It is normal to have about that much sticking out. You actually want that. Don't cut it off. Just let it be. And also, if your plug kit comes with some type of rubber cement, I've never used it. I've plugged many tires. Never once used rubber cement. Never had a fail. If you want to use it, fine. But that is, in brief, how to plug a tire. Hope this helps somebody out. Okay, one final step after you do finish plugging and then refilling your tire. You just want to put a bit of soapy water on there. Make sure you don't have any air coming through. And focus. There we go. And your preferred application method may vary. And as long as you don't see any bubbles coming through that plug, when you get it back up to full pressure, you're good to go. This one looks like it's set good. So again, I hope this video helps somebody out down the road, and y'all have a good one.